Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to install Tag Manager to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where in the upper right corner, you can get started by logging into your account, and after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen, you can see all the sections you can access, such as homes, orders, products, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with adding the tag manager to our store. What we're going to be looking for, guys, is right here under the sales channels. Here we can find the online store option. You want to click online store. This is now automatically going to open up this themes section where you can take a look at the theme you're using and you can get started customizing it. So what we want to do is click the three dots right here. This is going to open up this new drop down menu where you can take a look at all the options you can access, and you want to click edit code. So click on edit code. This is going to go ahead and open up this code editor where we can get started. So basically guys, as you can see right here on the official Shopify help center, we can get started with installing Google Tag Manager, and here you have the full instructions how to do it. Basically, we are going to go ahead and open up the checkout liquid option. If you do not have our checkout liquid in your store, but you have something like Team Liquid, you can use this as well. So what you're going to do, guys, is go ahead and find the Google Tag Manager code in our Google Tag Manager, find the token API that you can then get started with adding to your code right here. If you're not familiar how to do it, guys, you can go ahead and ask somebody that's partnered with Shopify. Go ahead and ask one of the Shopify staff how to add the code right here that you need. But basically, this is where you're going to go ahead and input it if you have your code ready. So input it right here, and after that, just save it in the upper right corner. And once you have saved it, go back, and this is going to enable you to add the Google Tag Manager to your store. But yeah, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.